guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will talk about Malaysia. When speaks of Malaysia, the first thing pop up from my mind is Malaysia is a blender in my opinion. Why do I define Malaysia as a blender? Then stay tuned for more content. First of all, Malaysia is a blender which blends people from different races and stay harmonically in a country. As we're all aware with, Malaysia is made out of three major races, which is Malay, Chinese and also Indian. Of course, we have different types of minor races such as Kadazan, Dukun, Melanau, Sikh or Baba Nyonya. Despite we came from different races, but we share the same identity and also historical background, as we are all Malaysian. I never find a multiracial country like Malaysia does, whereby different races blend peacefully without any racial war and also racial execution. Next, Malaysia is also a blender which blends different types of culture from different races as one, specifically known as Malaysian culture. Besides, you can always see various kind of traditional food from different races such as roti canai, nasi lemak, char kway teow, and so on being sold at a single kopitiam and also cafe shop. Besides, there are also Malays who sell Chinese food, while Chinese who sells Indian food, and Indians who sells Malay food at the roadside stores. I don't know whether you're all aware of this unique scenario happen in Malaysia, whereby Malaysians will learn traditions from different races and we celebrate Hari Raya, Deepawali, and also Chinese New Year together. See? How special it is for Malaysia to blend different types of culture together as one. Do you still thinking that Malaysians only speak Bahasa Melayu, English, and also Chinese? Ha! You are wrong, okay? We Malaysians speak Bahasa Rojak. In case you wonder what is Bahasa Rojak, well, let me demonstrate. I once borrowed some money from my Malay friends and I said, Ali, lu boleh pinjam I wang tak? And he replied me that, sorry bro, lu tak ada duit, I lagi bolui. Bolui? Well, at the moment, I was totally shocked by him because he used the word bolui and it is actually a Hokkien dialect for no money. So when I asked him why does he know these terms bolui, and he told me that this term has actually included in the Kamus Dewan. Oh my god. Well, don't be surprised if some of the Malays and also Indians that speaks more fluent Mandarin compared to some Chinese, because some of them might study in a Chinese elementary school. Hence, although we have our own mother tongue, but thanks we live in Malaysia and all of these are blended into one Bahasa Rojak. In short, Malaysia is not only a blender, but it also is a home. It is a home for me and for most Malaysians, as it is where we are born and where we are raised up. I love Malaysia as my mother country, and since it is August, so I would like to use this chance and wish Selamat Hari Kemerdekaan to Malaysia. And that's all for me. Thanks for watching.